Underestimating the cost of construction can turn a great project into a nightmare. Every day I get calls from investors who guesstimate the cost of a rehab. We're all terrible at guessing. And while that might not matter when we throw out a number of jelly beans in a jar, it can have serious financial implications for your next renovation. One easy way to assure that you hit your next reno budget is to break down the larger project into a handful of smaller jobs. Start by making a scope of work. You can do this easily by walking through the property with your phone and doing a voice-to-text list. Start in the room farthest away from the front door. List all the items that need attention, one at a time. Move through the property room by room until you've covered everything. Next, take your list and categorize each task by trade. Demo, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, drywall, painting, carpentry, flooring, tile. The list goes on. There will probably be things on your list that won't fit in any obvious category. Just throw those into a miscellaneous list and we'll deal with them later. After you've broken down your list, use each subgroup as a scope of work for each trade. Get 2 to 3 bids to complete the work. And then with each bid, you want to make sure that there is a breakdown for material cost allotment and a timeline for completion. That material cost allotment allows you the flexibility to choose specific finishes within your budget and still hit your numbers. Call a handyman for those miscellaneous items that you couldn't find a place for anywhere else, and then select the contractors based on references, cost, and projected timelines. Last, add up the cost for each selected bid. But wait a second. There's a few items you want to add before nailing down the final budget. With any renovation project, you're going to have a punch list. There are items that need to be tightened up or fixed because the original work was damaged during the process. For small projects below $25,000, you can anticipate $2,000 to $3,000. But larger renovations, the punch list will probably range from $5,000 to $10,000. Yeah, I know that's frustrating and it's expensive, but it's a reality. The last expense you'll absolutely want to budget for is a contingency. This isn't new construction. Things always come up. Plan for the rainy day because there's always a cloud or two in the sky. Now, add up your numbers, lock in your budget, then follow the plan. It's just that simple. Staying on budget is the difference between success and failure. Map out your plan, hire the right contractors, and then execute. Save the guesstimating skills for the jelly bean jar.